Hello students, in this video I'm going to discuss various types of numbers, factors and multiples. Okay, in the previous class we have studied the basic ideas about the same. Now we extend our study to include some new properties. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first point is factor. A factor is a number, is an exact divisor of that number. Like I'm taking 8. Now we see that 8 is exactly divisible by 2 and 4. So clearly we can say that 2 and 4 are the factor of 8. All the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Now here one important thing is 1 and the number itself, these both numbers are also the factors of a particular number. Means 1 और वो नंबर खुद किस जो होते हैं ये भी फैक्टर्स में ही काउंट होते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम टेकिंग 75. 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, 75. So these are all the factors of 75. So now we can see that each of the numbers are exactly divisible by 75. Now if the digit is too larger, मीन्स अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में नंबर काफ़ी बड़ा दिया गया है तो ऐसी कंडीशन में आप how will we find all the factors? So we will start from 1. आफ्टर दैट 2, 3, 4 इन टेबल से हम लोग चेक करेंगे डिवाइड करके कि वो डिजिट से डिवाइड हो रहा है या नहीं. तो अभी एक पॉइंट पे आके हम लोग रुकेंगे लाइक 75. 1, 2 से हमें पता है इट इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल. नाउ वी केम अप टू 3. 3 से डिविजिबल है. 4 से हमें पता है इट इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल. 5 से है. आफ्टर दैट 6, 7, 8, 9 ये सब नंबर से we know that it is not divisible. These numbers are not divisible by, I mean to say 75 is not divisible by these numbers जो 5 के बाद में आएंगे 15 से पहले. Now we stop on this 5 and 15. हमें पता है 5 और 15 की मल्टीप्लाई जब हम लोग करेंगे तो 75 आ रहा है. ऐसी कंडीशन पे हम लोग रुक जाएंगे. हम बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. अगर हम लोग 15 के बाद 16, 17, 18 ये सब टेबल्स पे चेक करेंगे तो इट विल डेफिनेटली टेक टाइम. सो हम लोग इस पर रुकेंगे. उसके बाद में रिवर्स में चलते हैं. 3 अभी 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 75 को. देन वी गेट 25. आफ्टर दैट वी आर हैविंग 1 से 75 को डिवाइड किया तो we get 75. So this is the way to find all the factors of a particular number. Clear? Another point is multiple. A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factor. Like I'm taking 12. We can write it as 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, or 2 multiplied by 6, or 1 multiplied by 12. So we can say that 12 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Thus we include that 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So 12 is the multiple of 3, or 12 is the multiple of 4. Okay. So और अगर हम फैक्टर्स की बात करें तो 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Clear? Come to the another point. Now here are various types of numbers. First one is even numbers. जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है आप लोगों ने even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers previous classes में भी study किए हैं. Let's have a look. All multiples of 2, or if a number is divisible by 2, then we can say that it is a even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 112, 4, 4, 422. So these are even numbers. Next one is odd number. Numbers which are not the multiple of 2 or which are not divisible by 2. So here are some odd numbers. Next one is prime number. Number which have exactly 2 factors, namely 1 and the number itself. It means जो नंबर्स किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आते हैं वो प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं. उनके बस 2 ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं, 1 and the number itself. Like if I'm taking 17, then we see that 17 is not divisible by any number other than 1 or 17 itself. So clearly we can say that if a number having 2 factors, 1 और वो number खुद, so these are the prime numbers. Another one. Now I'm taking this point, composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors like 4, 6, 8, 9. We see that these numbers are composite because they are having more than 2 factors. जो किसी ना किसी टेबल में ज़रूर आते हैं वो composite number होते हैं. Clear? One important point is 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 ना तो प्राइम की कैटेगरी में आता है ना ही composite numbers की. Another point is 2 is the lowest prime number. 2 सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर है क्योंकि 1 तो प्राइम और composite दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं है. 2 is the only even number, even prime number. 2 ही ऐसा प्राइम नंबर है जो कि इवन है. 2 को छोड़कर बाकी सारे नंबर्स ऑड ही होते हैं. ऑल अदर इवन नंबर्स आर कॉम्पोजिट नंबर. जितने भी इवन नंबर्स होते हैं वो कॉम्पोजिट होते हैं. अनदर पॉइंट इज ट्विन प्राइम्स. 2 consecutive odd prime numbers are twin prime. These are the pairs. I'm taking this 5 and 7. Both are odd prime numbers और consecutive number हैं क्योंकि 5 के बाद 6 आता है. 6 तो एक composite number है. 6 के just बाद 7. So 5 and 7, this pair is twin primes. Another pair 17 and 19. This I'm taking 17 and 19. This pair is twin prime as both are odd prime numbers. और 17 के just बाद में 18 आता है. 18 composite हो जाएगा तो 17 और 19 इस तरह से ये पेयर बनाएंगे. So I'm taking this now 59 and 61. This is also a twin primes. Clear? Another point, prime triplet. A set of 3 consecutive prime number differing by 2. 3 consecutive prime numbers जिनमें 2 का difference हो वो prime triplet होता है. And this is the only prime triplet, 3, 5 and 7. Let's come up to another point, co-primes. 2 numbers are said to be co-primes if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Now we can take any number whether it is prime or composite. They can be called co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Like we see that 8 and 15 both are composite number, but here it is co-prime as they are having only 1 as their common factor. 4 and 9 both are composite number, but these are co-primes. This pair is co-prime as they are having 1 as a common factor. 2 and 3 it is co-prime. This pair is co-prime. Okay. 2 prime numbers are always co-primes. कोई भी 2 prime numbers को अगर हम लेंगे वो तो co-prime होंगे ही क्योंकि दोनों का common factor 1 ही होगा बस. Clear? Another point is perfect numbers. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number, then the number is called a perfect number. इसको एक example से समझते हैं. I'm taking 6. So 6 is a perfect number because when we write all the factors of 6 now and when we add all the factors, then we get 12, and 12 is 2 times the 6. Another example, 28. We see that 28 is also a perfect number, because when we note down all the factors and when we add these factors, then we get 56, and 56 is 2 times 28. Okay students, I hope you understand all this. Thank you so much for watching.